Here's how you can start a faceless affiliate website with AI content. If you want to start a faceless affiliate website with all AI content and nothing of yours, here's how you can do it by using TypeDream AI. First of all, go onto your Google browser and search for TypeDream. Click on the first link, and now you'll need to log in or sign up with an account. Give it your email and click on sign up, or just sign in with your Google account. It will ask you how would you like to start. You can start with planning your site with AI or start with a template. Although you want to use AI content, you can do it on both these options. But if you start with a template, it will not just have content but also colors and all the other details on it. So I would recommend starting with a template. Click on it. Here, select any options and click on continue. Now you'll need to choose the template that you want to work with. You can choose any template you want from all these options. If you really want to look into affiliate websites, you can go into the category of product or blog. Once you select the page that you want to use, click on it and click on use template. That was your home page of the website. Now you need to select if you want any other website pages or not. If you don't want any more pages, just click on build my site or just select the pages that you want and click on build my site. Now you'll need to give it a workspace name and a URL. Just add in whatever you want your website to be called and your business to be called. Now you'll see the TypeDream will start building your site, and by just waiting for a few seconds, you would see it has created a full workspace for you to work on for your affiliate website. You'll see all of your pages. If you want to edit any components of the page, you can click on the page and you can edit it from there. As you can see, it has given you AI content to work with too, because this whole website works on AI. If you want to add any more pages, you can click here, or you can just access your site settings, analytics, collaborators. You can even add a custom domain or check your audience from the left bar menu. This is how you can create a faceless affiliate website by using TypeDream AI. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.